Do you want to decorate your home? Or are you looking for new tips on how to restylize your house? Well, search no more because this video is for you. Hi, I'm Zahira Cury. I'm an architect and lighting designer, founder of D.Signers. And in this video, I show you 5 simple ideas and tips to help you get a contemporary look at home. First, it's important to know what a contemporary design is. Contemporary style doesn't refer to a specific time period. It's constantly changing to reflect popular styles of today's design and trends. That's why I love this style, because it gives you more freedom to combine and define your space, and you can easily evolve as the trends go. But nowadays, what's in style? Well, simplicity, sophistication, textures, solid colors, clean lines, high contrast, and a clean appearance are the words to define contemporary style decorating. To get the look of a contemporary home, it's important to follow some basic rules. Tip number 1: color. When it's come to a color palette in a contemporary space, neutrals, whites, and dark colors like black or dark gray are a perfect pick. One of the trends that are really coming back is beige. I think it's the perfect neutral because it adds warmth to any space. With walls painted with basic neutrals, you have a wonderful backdrop for bold colored accessories. Black or dark gray are favorites to ground and define a contemporary room. Use it for an accent wall to emphasize a specific space or area. I will confess, one of my favorite trends of 2019 is black mallet, and I feel we're going to see it playing a bigger role in the years to come. Forget clashing and garish patterns. Contemporary homes are known for their neutrals and elegant palettes. But this doesn't mean this style has to be boring. Accents can come from adding a solid splash of colors to a specific wall, a vibrant painting, a brightly colored chair, ottoman, cushions, or some specific accessory. Tip number 2: furniture. Furniture pieces should make a bold statement, but at the same time be simple and clean without any kind of decoration. Also, furniture can often come in black, white, any other neutral color, or why not, your favorite color tone, but always with exposed legs. Remember to go basic, bare, bold, and structural. Don't use ruffles, floral prints, or elaborate details that can ruin the simplicity of the furniture. Tip number 3: lighting as an artistic object. Add light fixtures with an abstract structure and metallic elements. Use lamps with character and sculptural shapes that can contrast with the sobriety and rigidity of the space. Don't clutter the contemporary room with collections or too many lighting pieces. 1 or 2 impressive lamps are enough. The other areas can be illuminated with lights that form a part of the architecture, like a LED strip or resist ceiling lamps. Tip number 4: nature. Nature inside is always a good idea because they can work on making spaces feel more human. Since this style is a little bit rough, we need to soften up the environment. In a contemporary style, plants and flowers should be large and dramatic in simple containers. You can use large-scale leaves and put them in a glass container in a simple and natural way. Tip number 5. Huge wall art and sculptural pieces. Mix it up a little with some dramatic artwork. Wall art with geometric shapes and sculptures are a must-have. It's better to have a spectacular huge artwork than a lot of small ones that can saturate your space. You can use the wall art to add color, textures, and shape to your space. Thanks for watching, and remember, if you liked this video, don't forget to click like and subscribe to follow our channel to see more about design and architecture. See you next time!